Hi everyone, welcome to onlinellcguide.com. It's the website to go to if you want to form an LLC in any state of the US. On the top here you see all the state guides. You can just go there and click on the state that you wish to form an LLC in. But today we are looking at how to form an LLC in Wyoming. On this page you will find everything you need to know to start an LLC. For example, this Wyoming LLC formation at a glance is a table with all the key details. For example, state filing fee is only $100. Then as you scroll down, you will see the benefits of having an LLC in Wyoming, what makes it different. Just in between, did you also know that Wyoming is one of the most popular states in the US to form an LLC? So you can find everything on this page. There's a full step-by-step guide, the full breakdown of the costs, one-time formation, annual recurring, a 3-year total cost, the processing timeline, and so much more. To get this done smoothly, our top pick is Northwest Registered Agent. To us, they are the best option to form your LLC in Wyoming. Their service fee is only $39, and they include the registered agent service free for the first year. This gives you a professional address in Wyoming, and it keeps all your personal information private. So feel free to scroll down the page, read the full step-by-step guide, all the details. If you are ready to form your LLC right now, simply click on this button here, Form Your Wyoming LLC for $39. It will bring you to the Northwest Registered Agent website, and they will handle all the rest. If you want to know more about why we consistently choose Northwest, there's a separate page which is here on the top, Compare Services. It will bring you to the full explanation, or click the link down below. It's also a video. Check it out. It covers the privacy focus, customer support, and why they are so trusted. So thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best with your LLC in Wyoming, and I will see you in the next guide. Bye.